Hello everyone, welcome again. Sometimes it is required to apply a select query in a group of records instead of whole table. For this, we used group functions like sum, maximum, minimum, count or average. These functions are also known as aggregate functions which work upon multi-rows in a table. So let's understand how to use these aggregate functions with MySQL query. So here you can see my table is employee, which contains some columns, that is ID, name, salary, department and designation. So our functions are sum, which will calculate or find the total of any amount. Max function is used to find out or it will return a maximum value, where minimum function is used to return a minimum value from a column. AVG is used to calculate average, and next is count. So it will count or return the number of records. So these are our aggregate functions. So let's see one by one how we can use these functions: sum, maximum, minimum, average and count. For example, if you want to find out the total of salary from your table name is employee, so it will calculate the sum of your salary column from employee table. So the total amount of salary is 1,03,000. Let's check the maximum value from salary column. So it will return 25,000, the highest or maximum value. You can also use minimum function. So min function or minimum will return the minimum value. It will not consider null values. When we used aggregate functions, null values are ignored. So here you can see the minimum value in salary column is 10,000. It is not considered null value. Let's check the average of salary, that is 17,166.66 something. Here is your table. So how to calculate average? Just find the total of these numbers and divide it by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So first find the total and divide it by the number of terms, that is 6. Again, we did not consider this null value with aggregate functions. Let's see how count function is used. When we used count salary from table name EMP, so it will count the number of records from salary column only. So it will gives you 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6. Again, it will skip null values. But when we used asterisk in place of a salary column, it means asterisk is used to count all the number of records, or it represents for all columns. So it will count all the records from your table and it will gives you the result 8. So these are our aggregate functions. You can use all these functions in a single query also. If you want to display the total, so use sum. To find the maximum value of salary, you can use max function. For minimum, you can use min function. Count asterisk, it will count all the records, but when you used count with salary column, it will skip null values. And again, average or AVG function is used to calculate the average of salary column. Let's perform one more query. For example, update employee set salary equals to salary plus 100. It means we want to increment salary with rupees 100 and assign it or update it in salary column, and apply some condition where id is greater than 3. So it will add 100 in salary column, but id is greater than 3, so it will add 100 in all the values, but it will not add 100 with null values. Let's see the changes in our table. So here you can see it will add 100, 100 and 100, but it will not consider null clause. In the same manner, you can use group by function. Group by function is used to group records. By using group by clause with select command, it performs grouping based on some columns. For example, select some salary from EMP, group by department. It means we want to check the total amount of salary in each department. So you can perform this query, select sum, so it will calculate the sum of salary column from your table employee and divide the table into groups according to department column. Now let's see the department column also. So we can use DEPT, so it will display total of salary and department column from employee table. So here is your output. You can see in each department the total salary is given is 63,300 in computer science department, in commerce department and in chemistry department. So group by clause is used to divide your table into groups. After grouping the data, you can filter the grouped records using having clause. Having, it is used for condition matching with group by. For example, if you write this query, it will divide or it will create a group according to your department. Let's apply some condition. Having department equals to commerce. So it will check your condition or it will filter according to your condition. So group by clause is used to divide the table into groups, or having clause is used for condition with group by clause. So here you can see our table is divided into group according to department table, and it will check the condition where department equals to commerce. So having clause is used with group by. That's all. If you have any doubt, you can write an email. If you like this video, please like this video. Thank you for watching the video.